We'll guide you through how to make labels for products on Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to design product labels without needing advanced graphic design skills. To begin this tutorial, open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop until the browser window appears. Next, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to access the website. After that, click the Create button, scroll down through the options, and choose Custom Size to set your own design size. As an example, set the width to 711 px and the height to 586 px. You can adjust these dimensions according to your product needs. Then click Create New Design to continue. In this example, I will create a label for a mineral drink product to demonstrate the process clearly. Click the Elements menu on the left panel, then search for the design you want to use. For example, choose an image of splashing water to match the theme of a fresh drink. Adjust the size and position of the image until it fits perfectly within the canvas area. Then add text by clicking the text menu and type GuideHub as an example for the main brand name. Adjust the font style. For example, use 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀 sans serif to make it look clean and modern. Then click Effects and add the drop effect, and adjust the settings as needed to create a subtle shadow. Set the position of this text so it fits well on the product label and remains easy to read. Next, click Text again, add another text box, and type Pure Drinking Water as a subtitle. Adjust the style of this text so it looks different from the main title, then position it properly. Add another text, type Nature and Fresh. Adjust the style to make it distinct, and set the position carefully. After that, add text for product information such as 600 milliliters. Then adjust the style and position so it looks balanced. Review the entire design and include an example mock-up to see how the label looks on the product. Make sure all elements are aligned neatly and visually appealing before finalizing the design.